Told you faith meant never questioning. So when your questions came, you thought faith had died. You searched for God in thunder, but heard only silence. You waited for answers, but found only echo. You feared that asking why made you unworthy to believe. But doubt is not your enemy. Pretending you do not doubt because you hate God. You doubt because you refuse to worship what is not real. You are not running from truth. You are hunting it. They wanted blind devotion. You want honest connection that does not make you faithless and makes you relentless. Hear this. God is not threatened by your questions. He is silent because he is patient. He waits for you to seek more than simple answers. You were not chosen to parrot belief. You were chosen to pioneer it, to walk where others never dared, to ask what others fear, to find him not in walls but in wonder. Your doubt is not rebellion, it is invitation. One day you will speak to those just like you, those who thought they lost God because they lost certainty. And you will tell them, I didn't find him in answers. I found him in the sun. You are chosen not to end faith, but to deepen it. Chosen not to end faith, but to deepen it.